Now comes the fun part, creating engaging content. In the world of affiliate marketing, content is key. It could be a blog post, social media update, or in our case, a YouTube video. Remember, your content should be valuable, engaging, and naturally incorporate your affiliate links. Let's say you've chosen the fitness niche and you've picked out some top protein supplements on Amazon that you want to promote. A great way to do this could be a video titled Top 5 Protein Powder. In this video, you'd go through each of the 5 supplements, talking about their benefits, why you've ranked them as you have, and who they might be best suited for. This is your opportunity to really show your expertise and build trust with your audience. Remember, people buy from people they trust. And here's the crucial part. While discussing each product, make sure to mention that the links to these products can be found in the description box below the video. This is where you'll place your Amazon affiliate links. It's essential to make this integration feel seamless and organic. No one likes feeling like they're being sold to, so focus on providing value and sharing products you genuinely believe in. By the way, don't forget to check out part 1 of our affiliate marketing series, where we discuss choosing your niche, researching products, and joining affiliate programs. Today, we're moving on in part 2, creating engaging content and driving traffic. Now, how do we drive traffic to your content? Creating top-notch content is vital, but it's only half the battle. You now need to get that content in front of people. Without traffic, even the most compelling affiliate-packed content won't generate income. So, how do you drive traffic to your video? First off, let's start with search engine optimization, or SEO. On YouTube, this primarily involves your video title, description, and tags. Use keywords relevant to your video topic and likely to be used by your target audience when they're searching. In the case of our top 5 protein supplements for muscle growth video, we'd want to use keywords like protein review, best protein supplement, protein powder guide, and so on. Thumbnail is another crucial aspect. It needs to be eye-catching and relevant to persuade potential viewers to click on your video. Remember, your video is competing with hundreds of others in the search results or recommended videos section. Engage with your viewers. Encourage viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe at the end of your video. Viewer engagement signals to YouTube that your video is valuable, pushing it higher in the search and recommendation algorithms. But what about off YouTube? Social media is a fantastic tool. Share your video on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and any other platforms where your target audience hangs out. Use relevant hashtags to make your posts more discoverable. Finally, if your budget allows, consider running ads to boost your video's reach. YouTube offers a variety of advertising options that can help your video reach more people who are likely to be interested in your content. Once you've created your video and it's live, your work isn't done. In fact, it's just beginning. This is where tracking and optimizing come into play. Firstly, tracking. YouTube's analytics platform is a goldmine of information that helps you understand your audience better. It provides data on watch time, viewer demographics, retention rates, and even where your traffic is coming from. Pay close attention to these analytics. Which videos have the highest retention rates? At what point in your videos do viewers usually drop off? Answering these questions can help you tailor your future content to your audience's preferences. That's it for today, folks. We've covered quite a lot, creating engaging YouTube content, how to drive traffic to your videos, and more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends interested in making money online. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. As always, if you have any questions or need more clarification on anything we discussed today, please drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you.